Good evening, folks. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Tropical cyclone Esther has crossed the Gulf Coast as a Category 1 storm and will soon weaken into a rain depression as it continues moving west across the Northern Territory. This should ease the rain over North Queensland, but localised heavy storms could stick around all week. Some pretty big rainfalls overnight. Guthalungra, 172 millimetres, that's the biggest. Bamboo had 157, Paluma 123 mils and Ayr 109. Today's temperatures were heavily modulated by rainfall, mostly high 20s under thick cloud, but low 30s otherwise. Nights have stubbornly persisted in the mid-20s. Let's look at the satellite loop. Well, the cyclone made landfall about lunchtime today, crossing the Gulf Coast, somewhere near the Northern Territory Queensland border. Two main bands, or convergent bands as we call them, of heavier rain have occurred as a result of the monsoon winds ramming into the southeasterly trades, and they were the far north coast and also the central coast, where some really heavy falls occurred. Lesser falls through the rest of Queensland, but still significant. On today's chart, we've got the cyclone there, which is soon to be a low now that it's crossed the coast. And like I say, if you look at the clockwise ring of winds around the cyclone, they crash into the southeasterly trade winds and there's no room for them to go, so the uprising motion causes all this heavy rain. On tomorrow's chart, as the X-cyclone begins to move west, the focus of convergence moves away from the tropics. There'll still be heavy storms, but not like what we've seen in the southeast, still a bit cooler with the southeasterly trades. And then on the outlook chart, the low disappears off to the west and the wind goes very light across Queensland. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeast to northeast, 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. Still the same on Wednesday, but then on Thursday turning more northerly, same strength. We've got the new moon spring tides at the moment and they're pretty big, especially the late morning high tide with a strong run out to the afternoon low. The Herberton Low Burdekin, a flood warning for the Ross, Bowley and Black Rivers. Showers and thunderstorms again tomorrow with possible heavy falls. 31 for Townsville, Ayr 29, Ingham 32. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, showers and storms with possible heavy falls, 32 for Charters Towers, Georgetown 33. Looking ahead for Townsville, showers and storms are a better than even chance pretty much every day in the next 7. Top temps about average, but nights remaining hot and sticky. Thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back with more tomorrow. Hope you can join me. Meantime, enjoy whatever comes out of the sky because at least it's not boring. Now it's back to the team.
Wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Thanks for your company. Catch you tomorrow night.
And just a reminder, if you missed anything, you can see our replay over on 7 too. And from all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.